Welcome to next video in the C tutorials. In this video, we are going to see this break statement in the unconditional branching statements. So let's start the video. So our title is break statement. So from the title, you can see that break. Break means it is going to break something, or in other words, you can say that break like terminates. It going to terminating something. It is terminating or breaking something of execution. Like these break statements are mostly we can see in loops and in switch case also. So I think you are getting the things. Means break is a statement that is going to break something or that is going to terminate something of execution. I think you have get the idea. You will more clear when you see the simple example variable I of int data type. Here for a, for example purpose I am taking any one of the loop, like I am taking here for loop. I am initializing the value of I, like I equals to 1. Suppose I less than or equals to 10. I am incrementing the I operation. I think you all know the syntax of the for loop. In this bracket I am going to print value of I. If I given like this, it is going to print the numbers up to the 10. So if I run the program, you can check out the output. Here it is printing up to the 10 numbers. Suppose I need up to the 5 numbers. Without changing this, I can print up to 5 numbers only. Like, see, look carefully. Here I am using if statement. I am writing the condition of if, like if I equals to 5, then in this I want to break this iterations. So I think you are getting the things. So if I declare like this, whenever the value of I incremented to the 5, then it is going to print and it is terminating the iteration. It is breaking the for loop. Simply it is breaking the for loop. Such like the breaking statement is going to use. So you can check out here. If I run the program, you can see it is printing up to the value 5. I'm changing to here, like if I copy paste here, then what is going to happen? See, if statement is above the printf statement, means the value of 5 is not going to print, means it is going to print up to the value of 4 only. So if I run the program, you can check out here, it is printing the up to the value of 4 only. So I think you have getted the clear idea of break statement. So this is the syntax of the break. Just you need to use the what